Prices continue to ease, providing relief to both developers and individual home builders. The moderation in cement prices is also translated into savings on construction budget, particularly for projects in the early stages. Here's more.
The Trade, Agribusiness and Industry Minister, Elizabeth Ofosue-Jare, indicated that the price of 42.5 ounce cement has declined from about 118 cedis to around 107 cedis per bag, while 32.5 ounce cement has dropped from about 113 cedis to between 80 and 85 cedis. Checks by ChannelOne Business at selected retail outlets confirm a reduction in the price of 32.5 ounce cement, aligning with the government's assessment.
I see a small cement I'm Empire. Empire 85 cities. Our previous one 90 cities. 90 cities near town. Price in the bar from Nidia. You have some improvements. Yeah, Myanmar eco year, but so they demand for a more reduction, About from Kakra, about boy.
For individuals such as Prince Owusu Ansah, who is building a private residence, the price reduction has brought some relief, significantly lowering cement-related input costs.
32.5 hours no. Then almost 4,200 for one trip no mu try no. But me started say me see January and I started proper say me see. Masato extra 40 bucks. I know more the shisha. And no. Me calculate here almost be 3,400. That's a swat a difference of almost be to 1,002 kra.
The Ghana Real Estate Developers Association is calling for sustained exchange rate stability, arguing that this will further reduce cement prices and create room for downward adjustments in property prices. Executive Secretary of GREDA, Samuel Amagaibo, made the remarks in an interview with ChannelOne Business.
Let's be mindful. These prices, there must be some stability. You can see cement price, dropping today and the next morning it's moved straight into your price build-up.
We now bring you an update on how the currency is